Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must start with iCloud on and note syncing. This ensures your work isn't trapped on one device. Once done, open the Notes app and tap the New Note button to begin. Type a concise title so you can find it later. Use the camera menu to scan documents immediately or tap the checklist icon when you need tasks. Make sure to add one short summary line at the top. It makes searching faster and adds useful context. Now organize to reduce friction. Create folders, then move notes by editing or dragging. Tags let you group items across folders so you don't duplicate structure. Once notes are in place, format with headings and bold to highlight key items. Add photos, PDF, or a sketch when visuals matter. Pin your top notes for instant access and use the search filters, attachments, date, or tags to jump straight to the content you need. This keeps everything tidy and fast. Finish by deciding how to share and secure your work. Tap Add People to invite collaborators and choose Edit or View Permissions so everyone knows boundaries. For sensitive content, lock the note with a password or Face ID. You can also export a note through the share sheet as PDF or text when you need a copy. If something goes wrong, first check iCloud storage and your connection. Next, go to Settings Notes to confirm sync settings. This usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.